Today we talk about how can you disable reviews notifications on your GetYourGuide app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down here. You click your own profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to reviews here. So then here can you disable it for app notifications. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here reviews notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.